y'all, welcome back to my channel, period, the baddest channel. If you're new, go ahead and hit that subscribe, like, and hit that bell so you can get all the notifications of my new videos. And welcome to the family. So as y'all can see from the title and from my hair, I'm gonna be giving y'all a tutorial on how to do this like cute, trendy, soft lock, fox lock, whatever they're called, look. I think they call it soft locks though. But yeah, it's real easy, real simple, and at the end of the video, I'm gonna tell y'all like all the stuff y'all need. But I'm gonna give y'all a little clip so y'all can see like how I actually did them, and they're really easy, y'all. So I'll see y'all at the end of the video. So the hair I'm going to be using is Passion Twist, which comes already twisted into the Passion Twist. So personally, I would suggest you get hair like water wave that's already untwisted, because having to untwist the hair kind of slows you down. The first step is to part your hair into plaits and braids, and open your clip, your crochet needle or whatever it's called, and make sure it's open before you stick it through the braid, because it's gonna hurt if you get your hair caught on it. And you're just gonna put the hair on there and pull it straight through and split it, and yeah. Okay, so now that I have it split into the two pieces that I need to have it split in, I'm going to find which way I'm more comfortable with wrapping it so it's easier. And from the top to the bottom, you're going to do tighter and looser at the bottom. So you're going to make sure you cover your entire braid, and my hair especially because it's colored, so I don't want my color showing. So like I said, tighter and then looser at the bottom. Make sure you're wrapping the hair and not twisting it, because it'll look like actual Passion Twist and not the locks. Okay, so once you're like getting to the end of twisting that hair around, you're gonna grab your other piece of Passion Twist, because I untwisted two Passion Twist braids so that my front braids could be a little bit thicker than the back, and so I can make sure my whole braid is covered. You don't have to do this. I just wanted to do this so my braid could be thicker and give it a better look that I wanted. So I'm just gonna repeat the first step that I did by putting it through and pulling it back through the braid and parting it off into the two sections that I need to wrap it around. And it's definitely okay if your hair gets a little tangled while you're wrapping it around. It's just going to give it a better look, the more messy look that, you know, is cuter and more natural. When you get to the end of your lock, you're just going to twist it back up, and by doing that, you're just going to hold the bottom of the lock really tight, or put your thumb or your finger in the middle, and you're just going to wrap it right back up. It's easy and simple. You just wrap until it's no more hair. I promise it won't unravel, and that's it. But as y'all can see, like, that's how the one came out. Period. They're cute. I'm really feeling them. Yeah, and like they're easy. I don't know. Yeah, I'm tired. It's going on 4 o'clock in the morning. I'm tired, and now this hair wanna act tangled because it was not doing this before. But it wanna get tangled when I record. Okay, so yeah, this is the final look of my hair, of my soft locks. And they are really, really cute, y'all. Like, I love them. I'm feeling them. I'm feeling them for real, y'all. Like, this cute. Get into it. But yeah, I'm just gonna be telling y'all like the products and stuff y'all need, what kind of hair I use and stuff like that. So in the video I showed y'all what kind of hair I use. I use passion twist, and I just like untwisted them for every fox lock I use. But I would really prefer that y'all get the pack that's already untwisted. So maybe like water wave or features hair, or yeah, something like that type, because that really slowed me down and made me take longer. I mean, not too much longer, but it made me take longer because I would have to like stop and untwist the passion twist and put it in, and then untwist another passion twist and put it in. So yeah, so really you're just gonna need the passion twist hair or whatever kind of hair you decide to get. I really like the passion twist because it gave me this look, but I'm pretty sure that any other hair that you get is gonna give you the same look, and it'll be just as pretty, trust me. So yeah, get the passion twist hair. I got 8 packs. I really didn't need 8 packs, but with some of them I doubled and I put extra hair in it to make them a little thicker and fuller and to cover my hair because I have colored hair. My hair is colored. So yeah, I just went back through and I added some more hair to it. But it really does not require 8 packs of hair at all. You probably really could get by with like 5 packs, honestly. But I got 8 packs to be on the safe side, and I used all 7 packs. I used 7 packs, and I only had, I'm sorry, y'all, I can't talk. And I only had 1 pack of hair left over, so 8 packs really, it really was pretty good for me. But that's only because I doubled my hair, and it's really not required. So I would go with like 5 or 6 packs of hair. Should really work depending on how much hair you have. Really, that doesn't even matter. And then I got some clips. These clips are not easy to go on at all, y'all. Like, I had to YouTube and figure out how to put them on. Like, I didn't know. I thought they just like clip on or whatever. So I would get some like cute little seashells, or get the clamps that already have the seashells on them, because those are way easier than putting these on, because I only have 2 on my hair for a reason, because they're hard to go on. They're difficult. They're not hard, but they're, you know. So you're gonna need your clips. That's if you like accessories, but I think the accessories give it like that, you know, the real cute look. So clips, passion twist, and of course you're gonna need your crochet needle, and that's really it. That's basically all you need. And you're probably gonna need some like edge control or something like that, you know, to sleek your braids, to make the you know, to like, because you braid it first and then you put the lock on. So if you use the Eco Styler, if you use the edge control, then like, you know, it defines it more, it makes it a little bit more sleek. So yeah. But yeah, that's basically it, y'all. Like I said, this is the final look of my hair. And yeah, I'm feeling them. This is the shoulder length. And that's it, period. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you can get all the notifications of my new videos. Period. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it was very helpful. And that's it.